I have another reading from my book ReVisions, and this is about feeling disconnected with the human experience and maybe not understanding our purpose for being here, feeling like we're here by accident. And it's called The Weed, and I'd like to read that to you. The format, again, is beginning with old story and continuing with new story. And so let me read that to you. The old story. You were an accident, you say, unplanned, unexpected, and unwelcomed. Like a seed carried randomly on the wind, drifting above the landscape. Eventually, you were deposited in a cleft of parched and stony earth where you chanced to grow. A thoughtful gardener did not step back and peruse the garden and contemplate the height of your potential or the color and season of your bloom. Nor did they consider how you would fit in with all the other flowers around you. They did not even water you. You struggled in your young life for the sunlight that would beckon you upright. You have always been an outsider, fearful of being plucked from where you have sprung and flung into the compost where you belong. Now here's the more positive outlook here. The new story. Let's consider this. You are rooted in the garden of earth. Every seed that grows has its place. Every flower has its moment in the sun. And then each flower has its own seeds to give back to the earth. When the wind carries yours across the landscape, you are not the master of their destiny. You cross your heart with love and cross your fingers with hope, and you surrender, as you were once surrendered. When you first raised your head in an unexpected place, you were called a volunteer. It's true, you volunteered to be here and to have this magical experience. You have chosen to grow despite your challenges. Your color may not match those around you, but that's why you are unique. You may be called a weed by one who works the soil, but you are called a flower by the gardener of us all.